I gotta clap to synchronize the mic up with the camera. I'm sure that'll work. Maybe. I don't know. It's always a struggle matching the two. What's up guys, Joey Geither here with JG Multimedia, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a mask transition in Premiere Pro. Now this is going to be another Quick Tip Tuesday. Quick tip, be quick, hopefully, we'll see. So we're just gonna get right into it. So as you can see, the first clip is showing an object kind of passing through the frame. It's cutting the frame in half, so we're going to use that to create the mask transition. And the second frame is just kind of a little bit of movement down to the right of a product that they've already painted. So you're going to see me move a clip up a layer, and this is because when you add a mask to a layer, it's going to create 100% opacity where that mask is, and it's going to show the clip underneath it. So I moved a clip up a layer, and then I slid the clip below it under where I'm going to mask. And you're going to see me cut the clip on top just a little bit to size, beginning where the object kind of enters the frame, and then cut it when the object exits the frame. And this just helps me keep track of where the masking is beginning and ending. So once you kind of line up your clips, you're going to take the clip up top that you cut to size and add a mask to it. And so you're going to see me do that here. It's under the opacity tab in the FX menu, and just click on mask once you have the clip selected, and it's going to add a mask to that layer. You're also going to see me check inverted, because otherwise, you know, the image is inverted and it's going to mask out everything outside the mask area. So we want it inside the mask area, if that makes sense. You're also going to see me go to the first frame of that clip that we cut down to size that we want to add the mask to, and we're going to add a keyframe to the mask, and this is just marking where that mask is at that frame. So I'm going to move it off to the side, and then you're going to see me go frame by frame, creating a key at every frame and moving the mask path to follow that object that's cutting across the screen. So as it's coming across the screen, this side is, you know, the clip that's above that's still showing, and this area right here is going to be the layer underneath it showing that clip. So as it moves across, it's switching from one clip to another. That's a general idea. So once you add a mask to all of your keyframes, you're actually able to then soften that edge, the edge where the mask transition is happening, and you're able to feather it to make it appear a little bit more blurry and kind of feathered instead of it being such a sharp angle, and that kind of just makes it look a little bit better. So you can see my final mask transition, and again, it's nothing too special, but you know, when you combine it with different clips, maybe a guy walking in front of the camera, or you know, you're panning and a pole comes across the screen, you can do a lot of cool stuff with this simple but effective transition. It takes a little bit of time, but if you apply it right, it's gonna look awesome. So you can see my final transition. I'm gonna take the two clips that are on the layer above, showing, you know, the hanging powder coating objects. I'm going to speed that up a little bit to speed up the transition so it's not taking up too much time on the clip below, and it's just going to create a kind of quicker transition for me that I think looks a little bit better. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Very quick tip on a Tuesday, so it's a Quick Tip Tuesday on a Tuesday, just the way we like it. We plan for it, we know what we're doing. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or inquiries, feel free to hit me up on my website or comment down below. Check out my social media. Instagram's just blowing up. You know, Twitter, nah. But if this helps you out, guys, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!